I met people in the masterminds and all. Man, after 1 minute, I want to just run away from there. So you need to learn how do you articulate your story, whether in person or online or videos or a stage. Learn how to tell your story. 2018, 2021, better brand, better personality, right? 2022, a better personality. Every year, I look at what can I do to upgrade my personality, my hero, aura that pulls people. Same thing, all of us we need to do, right? So your personality pays. Why do you build that? Because your personality pays. Before your business, before your programs, your courses, your services, your product, your personality pays you first. Right? And let me tell you, this is the most ignored topic right now, especially. We all are influencers, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? We influence so many people. Whether you are a coach or a trainer, does not matter. But you're influencing people around you. It could be your family also. It could be your friends. You are influencing people. And based on your influence, you're getting paid as well. You want to create that great relationship with your people? They look up to you. They should not look down on you. Right? They should look up to you from inside, the way you are, the personality, how you dress up. And this is not just one part of it, okay? Personality includes a lot of part. Don't get fixated of personality means what I wear. As you go through the framework, you will understand it's beyond this. It's just beyond than what you look, right? So, hero personality, hero story is part of the hero branding. This is beyond looks. This is just beyond this. So, what is the hero story? We all have a story. If you look at the movies, whether Bahubali or Chris, they all have a powerful story. Then they become the attire and all that. Pehle aata hai story. Right? So hero, dukhi, struggle, the pain, right? Challenges, and then something happened. Right? And the hero was born. The hero is growing, and now hero is becoming bigger and better personality, and now the outfits and everything. Your ability to articulate your story, connect with the people, is part of your hero branding. How often do you share the story? Are you a good storyteller? And you need to learn how to articulate your story in a powerful way, in a short, in a crisp manner, based on the formats. Right? Whether it's a TED talk or a Josh talk, different style of storytelling. Meeting somebody in person here. Share your story. Let me tell you the mistake that people make. People think sharing a story means talking. I just need to talk. No. Especially in this setup, you need to be very crisp and precise. Like I met people in the masterminds and all. Man, after 1 minute, I want to just run away from there. How many of you met those people? Right? Like, man, kitna bolta hai? How much you talk, man? Right? So talking does not mean, you're admired as a hero. Right? Hero knows how to precisely share the story. When to open the mouth, when not to open the mouth. So you need to learn how do you articulate your story, whether in person or online or videos or a stage. Learn how to tell your story. Hero ambition. You see, all three is not just about what you wear. It's also about who you are within. Think about all the movies that you saw. What if Krish, goes through the pain, the challenge? There's a superhero Krish in India, Fabio, right? So Krish goes through the pain and challenge and struggle as a kid and, mandabuddhi, right? And from there, he becomes like this person. He does not take a revenge. Has no ambition. Now life goes on normal, right? What is the movie? Hero does not have any ambition. Hero does not have any drive. does not want to change the world, does not impact the world, does not want to create something new. What's the point of the hero? Even if you look at Steve Jobs, not just the clothes. He did a great job here, he did a great job here, he did a great job there. Personality does not include just on clothes. They could compensate clothes with other things. Because his ambition was like, I want to have a dent in the universe, man.
The mindset.
Yeah, the mindset, the personality, the drive that he had, ambition was crazy. Right? People want to work with you because of that ambition that you have. Right? And comes more. And comes your outfit, your pose, your creative, your environment. This is the framework.